Is your computer sluggish? Upgrading to an SSD can boost performance. First, check compatibility. Older systems use 2.5-inch SATA SSDs. Newer ones may support M.2 NVMe drives. Next, consider speed. SATA SSDs are faster than traditional hard drives, but NVMe SSDs offer superior performance if supported. For storage, 256 GB suits general use. For gaming or media editing, opt for 512 GB or 1 TB. Finally, choose a reputable brand known for reliability and good warranty support. Upgrade smart for a faster, more responsive computer experience.